Crash Course on K-pop and Korean Entertainment, an exploration of South Korea's booming entertainment industry, including music, TV dramas, and movies. Certainly, here's your crash course on K-pop and Korean entertainment. K-pop and Korean entertainment. South Korea's entertainment industry has been booming in recent years, and has become a major cultural export. Known for its highly polished production values and catchy beats, Korean pop music, or K-pop, has taken the world by storm. In addition to music, Korean entertainment also includes TV dramas, movies, and variety shows. Some interesting stories. One interesting story about K-pop is the story of BTS, or Bangtan Sonyeondan, a 7-member boy band that has become a global phenomenon. They have topped charts all around the world and have won numerous awards, including several Billboard Music Awards. They are known for their powerful lyrics that address social issues, as well as their highly choreographed music videos. Another interesting story is the rise of Korean dramas, or K-dramas. These TV shows have become incredibly popular in many parts of the world, and are known for their high production values and compelling storylines. K-dramas often feature themes of family, love, and sacrifice, and have captured the hearts of many viewers. Top 12 Korean popular K-pops. BTS, Blackpink, Twice, EXO, Red Velvet, Super Junior, Big Bang, 17, GOT7, NCT 127, Monsta X, Mamamoo. Each of these K-pop groups has their own unique style and sound, and fans all around the world have fallen in love with their music. In summary, K-pop and Korean entertainment have become a major cultural export for South Korea, and have captured the hearts of fans all around the world. From BTS to Korean dramas, there is something for everyone to enjoy. Here's a poem I've written about K-pop. K-pop. A fusion of beats and rhythm. A perfect harmony of sound. K-pop has taken the world by storm. A cultural treasure that's been found. From the streets of Seoul to every corner of the globe, K-pop has captured hearts and souls. And it's easy to see why it's so beloved. With its catchy tunes and slick production, K-pop is a force to be reckoned with. And it's not just music, it's an emotion that fills our hearts with joy and bliss. Here's a song I've written about K-pop. Verse 1. A melody that's so infectious. A rhythm that you can't resist. K-pop has got me feeling so alive. It's a feeling that I can't deny. Chorus. K-pop, K-pop. It's the beat that never stops. From Seoul to Tokyo. It's the sound that makes us glow. Verse 2. BTS, Blackpink. The idols that we adore. Their music fills us up. And we keep coming back for more. Chorus. K-pop, K-pop. It's the beat that never stops. From Seoul to Tokyo. It's the sound that makes us glow. Bridge. It's more than just a song. It's a culture that we embrace. A community that's so strong. And we'll never let it go to waste. Chorus. K-pop, K-pop. It's the beat that never stops. From Seoul to Tokyo. It's the sound that makes us glow. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences South Korea has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to South Korea, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Hub Metaverse Team.